Although most people probably are not thinking about taxes this time of year, the IRS has important information they want people to be aware of. The Bureau of the Department of the Treasury is in the process of generating awareness over several tax provisions that are part of the Recovery Act. Natalie Guthrie explains.
In February 2009, the government enacted an economic stimulus package intended to provide a boost to the economy in the midst of an economic downturn. There are several components to the act, including tax credits for a variety of individuals.
Well, there's actually a lot of credits out there, and time's running out because some of them expire by the end of the year. So we want to get the word out to taxpayers that if you're buying a first home or a new vehicle, you may qualify for a tax credit.
First-time home buyers, for instance, can take advantage of a credit in which they can receive up to $8,000 on either an original or amended 2008 tax return or 2009 return.
It's a pretty big credit, and there's an added incentive that you don't have to pay it back any longer. Last year we had a first-time home buyer's credit of $7,500, but those taxpayers had to pay it back over 15 years, so it was more like a loan. This year it's an $8,000 credit and it doesn't need to be paid back.
Think Cash for Clunkers program was your only way to a new car? Well, although that program has ended, the government is still offering a new vehicle purchase incentive tax break to taxpayers who make qualified new vehicle purchases.
If taxpayers are out there looking to buy a new car, if they buy it by the end of the year, they may qualify for a sales tax deduction. So that's any of the sales tax that you pay here in Massachusetts may be deductible for that new car. And you don't have to itemize to get that deduction any longer either. It'll be another form attached to your tax return, so just about any taxpayer should qualify for that.
But buying a car or house aren't the only ways to take advantage of these new tax credits. The government is currently encouraging homeowners to make their homes more energy efficient. The credit for non-business energy property increases to 30% of the cost of all qualifying home improvements and raises the maximum credit limit to a total of $1,500 for improvements made in 2009 and 2010. There is also an American Opportunity Credit, designed to help parents and students pay part of the cost for the first 4 years of college. The new credit modifies the existing HOPE credit for tax years 2009 and 2010, making it available to a broader range of taxpayers, including many with higher incomes and those who owe no tax. And although there are no stimulus checks being handed out this year, Riley says the government is taking a different approach to helping Americans keep more money in their pockets.
In past years, you've received a stimulus check. Instead of doing that this year, we've changed the withholding table, so you're getting a little bit more in your paycheck each week, so you should have less taxes taken out. But we want to tell some people they may want to take a look at that withholding and they may want to adjust it. Specifically, taxpayers that are married and both spouses are working, or if a single taxpayer has multiple jobs. Both jobs are going to adjust that withholding, so you may not have enough withheld at the end of the year. We have a withholding calculator available on our website at irs.gov that will help taxpayers figure out how much they actually should be having withheld so that they don't get hit with a tax bill at the end of the year.
For more information on any of these tax credits, you can visit the Internal Revenue Service website at www.irs.gov. For the Needham Channel News, I'm Natalie Guthrie.